Among various new technologies, routing and switching remain crucial to put up a strong foundation in the world of networking. In this video, we'll explore how NetCom Learning upskilled the workforce of a U.S. Armed Forces group via a blended training solution on Cisco technology tracks and helped them install robust network infrastructure. Our client is a U.S. Armed Forces group responsible for improving the career management potential of Army soldiers. Having more than 40 operations throughout the United States, this group provides the highest quality of career support to all Army personnel from basic training through retirement. To support the ongoing transformation of the Army, the client wanted to improve operations of their soldier programs and services. To manage a scalable network infrastructure, the employees needed to be upskilled on the latest network technologies. The client's teams were facing difficulties with navigating the complex network architecture and scaling the infrastructure. To overcome these challenges and build highly scalable storage networks, the client was implementing new Cisco equipment, including the Cisco MDS 9000 series switches. Since they were also planning to migrate to the cloud, NetCom Learning delivered a blended training solution to upskill their IT and networking teams. The training included authorized Cisco courses like building the Cisco Cloud with application-centric infrastructure, understanding Cisco Cloud fundamentals, configuring Cisco MDS 9000 series switches, and more. Online learning resources and recordings of facilitated sessions were made available to the learners. Our instructors guided them with an official curriculum, hands-on labs, and study manuals. As an authorized Cisco Learning partner, NetCom Learning also helped the client utilize their Cisco Learning Credits, CLCs, to train the employees. After the training, the team's networking knowledge and skills were significantly improved. They were able to manage their new Cisco equipment with better efficiency and moved to the cloud effortlessly. NetCom Learning's training solution helped the employees implement robust network infrastructure and enabled them to achieve groundbreaking results. This training created direct impact on soldiers' lives. They successfully launched a digital platform to train the soldiers on using automation before the release of Integrated Personnel and Pay System Army. They built a new tool to establish potential movement timelines for soldiers, providing more predictability for their families. This client is also assisting the Army in building the world's largest metal 3D printer for vehicles. This is a new Army initiative to transform the construction of military vehicles, reduce production costs, and offer greater vehicle performance. The client was highly satisfied with NetCom Learning's training solution. It provided a better understanding of the latest technologies and network infrastructure to support their critical work. We want our clients to have their ideal training solution, combat their business challenges, and meet organizational goals effectively. We are official learning partners with vendors like Microsoft, AWS, CompTIA, Cisco, PMI, Autodesk, and more. Let us know your business challenge, and we will give you the best training solution. Be a lifelong learner. Please like and subscribe to our channel and visit our website for more information.